Hey NailTubers, so as you know, I do PR for Born Pretty, and they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their nail tips and glue set. So let's take a look into this. And as you can see, it does come with a mini nail lamp. There's some storage and special attention things to take note of. So let's get inside this box. No ASMR today because this is not that kind of plastic. Oh, look at that little bitty hand file. These little hand files are so cute to me, but you do struggle kind of using them, but it's an easy carry around, isn't it? Here's the user manual. Oh, there's tip guides. I've been considering some of these. There's 2 packs of them. Oh, there's some chrome burnishing powder. That's a nice color, right? And this is used with it. Let's take it out like this. Oh. Okay, so these are, and I totally forgot to expect these to come with it, but these are, and I'm just going to take 1 pack out. Let's see. There are half coverage and full coverage nails in here. I need to separate. Okay, these are full coverage. There's different types of nails in here. So I totally forgot that there was going to be different sets of nails in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through them and sort them out, and then we'll take a look at these again. But in the meantime, in between time, there's 6-in-1 nail glue. Of course, this is what else it's all about. The little mini nail lamp. Oh, one thing I do like about this is, see the on and off button? So it's right in there. I like that feature too. There's the on and off button. Now the cord is much shorter, just so you know. I have a thing about the cords because of where I need to plug in at, and I'm sure most of you do too. So you can see the stretch of cord across the camera lens. This is probably about 6 inches double, so 12 inches in length. So you have to have some place close. Okay, I tried to take a look, but guys, I cannot read this super duper microscopic tiny print, even with a magnifying glass. As far as the nails that came with this, check this out, guys. And I'm gonna pull the larger sizes out so that you can see them. So there's a set of extra long tapered coffin. I love these. And then the long tapered coffin. So these are the squared half coverage nail tips with more of a like natural curve down, right? A natural curve. I like that. I can't get them apart. Then there's the half coverage tapered coffin, and they do, just so you know, they do have that deep C curve in them. Just so you know. I'm not sure how I feel about the deep C curve. I know it became popular right away. The square half cover square, I like that square. Makes your nails look sharper. And this is also C curve, but it's not an extremely deep C curve like some of the other ones that I have come across and used. Okay, so that's the nail tips, guys.
The nail glue is a 6-in-1, and before I start this super duper easy nail art, I wanted to be sure to show you those functions. It's a base gel, extension gel, nail glue, nail strengthener, watercolor gel, like for marbling, and the top coat, like wow. And you can see the viscosity, so there's a little thickness to it. And for today, I used it 2 ways. For starter, as a nail tip glue. I was making certain to do something different from what I've done before with similar kits. And most of you pretty much know how this goes, right? Oh, and my natural nails were prepped and base coat was laid. The one thing I'd say though is there can be a little struggle holding the half cover nail in place, keeping it straight while getting into the lamp and turning it on. So what I tried was, I turned the lamp around so that the opening faces away, and for me, it felt a little more natural, bringing the nails closer to myself as opposed to reaching out to where the lamp is. And here, you'll see it again. Hopefully it'll make sense. Then actually a little off to the side helped too. I don't always see the need to clip past the numbers, like with Lazy Girl method, polygel fills the nail and the number disappears. But today's design will be like a jelly glitter, and I don't want it to show through. And this is how they look. The hold feels good and strong too. I would usually shape it slimmer, but I decided to use these as is. And the second way I'm using the 6-in-1 is as an enhancement or builder gel. And doing builder gel from a bottle is a little different. Now you may see or have seen it other ways, but what I did was, for the first layer, I loaded the brush from the bottle and laid the tip bead right at the nail bed, and then just worked that bead right there, only in that area to create a little buildup. So it starts to become even with the edge of that nail tip. Then with what's left on the brush, I gently swipe onto the nail. And before curing, I turn the nail upside down for the gel to settle to the middle, in essence starting the first layer for an apex. And I cured it for 30 seconds. You can already see that the gel is leveled evenly straight down the nail. So now I work for more apex. Doing the same thing again, leaving the bead at the nail bed, and once it's thinner off the brush, swipe what's left down the nail to create strength in the length too. I turn the nail back and forth to get the gel to do some shifting for shape. And Miss OCD just had to add a little more before curing. See how the apex is building? And this can be done as many times to satisfaction. I'm not going to go very thick because these are coming off right away, so I just wanted to show you how I used it. In order to do shaping, remember to clean the inhibition layer and you're good to go. And you've seen clips of me shaping, so we really want to get into this design because I think it's so cute. Oh, and I actually forgot. I did use this 3 different ways, not 2. Look, I used it as the base coat here too. And all that's going to do is just boost that strength in the nail and even fill in some of the small imperfections for you. This purple glitter polish is for all my purple loves, and this set is going to be so easy. I was done with this design in less than 10 minutes. 10 minutes, okay? I only wanted to do 1 coat because for once I wanted a jelly set. It's so pretty and sparkly. Oh, and each layer was cured for 30 seconds. I'm loving it so far. What do you think? And because this set is for my purple loves, of course I had to show my love for you and add the adorable gold heart embellishments. 1 on each finger. Now I didn't use bling adhesive, but you really should. So they were floating around and I kept chasing them. Then I decided to let them fall where they may. Everything doesn't always have to be so sternly aligned, right? And aren't they so cute? I love them. If you enjoyed this unboxing and would like to see more like it, you'll find more from Born Pretty by clicking this link. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit the Nailification bell so that you don't miss any uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I always appreciate you spending your time with me. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.